Herzlich willkommen zurück. Ich check's nicht wirklich, was das letzte Mal passiert ist. Snow White ist anscheinend doch nicht tot. Kann das sein? Kann das sein? Was haben wir dann für einen Kopf gefunden? I really don't get it. Und der Die hat... Ich weiss nicht, wie er ausgesehen hat. Ist echt ein Gestaltwandler in der Form von ihr, weil sie ist doch tot. Hey, I don't get it. Episode 2. Rauch und Spiegel. Mhm. Ah, der Wächter, der ist super.
What the hell was going on down there, Bigby? Abusing a prisoner like that.
Ich dachte, du bist tot.
I thought you were dead, Snow.
And that makes it okay?
Ich habe ihn nicht geschlagen, ich habe den Bluebird geschlagen. Chills mal eins. Blackbeard, meine ich.
I hope it was worth your time.
Ich bin Liebe gsi. Wie bist du nicht tot?
Okay, you're gonna have to explain this, because I'm really not getting it yet.
After a conversation in the taxi last night, I got a call from Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy. But hopefully we'll find something on her to help us
Ich
track down the
erzähle dir
killer.
das.
Or at least to figure out who she is.
I should have been there, Snow.
I tried calling the business office, but there was no answer. I couldn't find you, or anyone,
Okay.
so I took care of it.
Snow?
What is it?
Ich bin froh, dass du noch
I'm
lebst.
glad you're not dead.
Me too. I just want to get to the bottom of this. I just feel like
What is it?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me. And maybe that's why she was killed.
Das ist sicher nicht dein Fehler.
Snow, it's not your fault.
But she looked just like me. It can't be a coincidence. We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me.
Aha.
I mean, that's what it is.
Also
right?
Faith ist vielleicht auch nicht richtig
So,
tot, sondern
What's
irgendjemand
our
anders.
next move?
We just keep doing what we've been doing. We do our jobs.
And I'm supposed to do what? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
That's not what I meant.
Well, then
Chills
what
mal
did
eins.
you mean?
Ist deine
I
Tag.
told you, I'm tired of sitting around.
Sorry.
I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once.
I'm
and-
not yours to lose. I'm sorry.
Ja.
I know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless. I can take care of myself.
Ja.
Been doing it for centuries.
Ich weiß es, aber schau
TJ
schon.
is waiting inside. He was so freaked out last night, he wouldn't tell us much. Even now, he just stops talking altogether after a certain point. He's pretty shaken up, though, so try not to be too, you know,
Myself.
Myself.
right.
Okay, also Liebekopf bin ich ja. Ich zeige es jetzt nochmal. Breaking Point. TJ.
TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after, but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there.
Hey, ciao.
Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Da ist der TJ. Was ist das? Tarot Cards. Schau, ich habe noch das Geld, das geben wir ihm irgendwann zurück. Ich würde eigentlich zuerst gerne den Body sehen. Aber
Pity these can't solve murders.
Nehmen wir es mal.
Well, that's appropriate.
Was ist
And
das?
assets. Maybe this has been harder on him than I thought.
Ja, ich denke, das ist das gegen Sodbrennen, oder? What's that? Ich würde zuerst gerne den Body sehen und dann kann ich ihm besser Fragen stellen. Aha, da hinten geht er. Ich denke, das Teil.
Snow's perfume.
Leiche, Aloha. Wieso steht das da? Also komm, zeig mir zuerst den Body. Give me the body.
So, check out anyone who fits that profile. We might start with Bluebeard.
Right away, Miss Snow.
Are you ready to examine the body now?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! I almost forgot.
Was?
Come on.
Was hat er dort weggedreht? Beweismaterial? Und sie hat doch ein bisschen ängstlich ausgesehen. Ah, wir kommen zwischendurch zu sehen über. Witching Well Chamber. Hexenbrunnen oder was? Yep, looks like Snow White. Ich frage mich, ob es Fable ist oder ob es ein richtiger Mensch ist, der einfach einen Glamour-Zauber bekommt. Ich weiß nicht, ob das funktioniert, aber...
Wow. I didn't realize... I've never seen her face before now.
It's
It's gonna
okay.
be okay. You don't have to stay.
I want to stay. I'll be fine. It's just... a little strange.
Das
The
glaube
glamour
ich.
is so effective, it's...
Kann man den nicht
invasive.
wegnehmen?
But... just do what you need to do.
Hat sie auch so eine Brosche? Was ist das?
That's weird. I don't wear a brooch like that.
Maybe it really belonged to her. Not part of the glamour.
Looks like something from the homelands. Buffkin, do you recognize these symbols?
No, nothing I've seen before.
Aber jetzt ist der Köpfel an.
Check her mouth. There might be a ribbon in there. Like
Ich
before.
glaub's nicht. Ah!
Anything?
Nothing.
Er denkt.
Can you close her mouth?
Ja. Mach's.
Thanks.
Looks just like Faith's did.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by the same person?
Hard to tell. Did Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
No. He said he wanted to run more tests.
Gaan we eens nochmal anschauen?
She got your perfume right.
How would she know? How do you know what perfume I wear?
Ich habe es
You
gesehen auf dem
can't
Tisch.
fool this nose. Also, I saw the bottle on your desk.
Nochmal.
Do you see that?
Could be
Was?
a bruise.
Okay, wir haben alles gesehen, hä? Hallo? Wieso komme ich nicht weg? Aha. Ist gut, ist gut. Was ist das?
Track marks.
She used Mundy drugs?
Looks that way. Pretty heavy,
Mandis,
too.
genau.
I hear they only go for the legs if they've used up the veins in their arms, or if they're trying to hide the marks. Anyway, it means it's not a perfect match to your leg, unless
Don't be ridiculous.
maybe she was trying to compensate with that perfume.
Wait. If the glamour is supposed to make her look like me, shouldn't it be concealing things like track marks? That brooch, too. Why would it change everything else? I've never seen one this sloppy.
Es könnte
Might just be
fehlen.
failing.
Glamours don't just fail. The witches upstairs know what they're doing. That's why they cost so much. Unless someone is making glamours illegally?
Aha,
It's
could
not technically
be.
illegal, miss. It's not encouraged for sure, but there aren't any laws specifically forbidding it.
Okay.
There's some sort of black market for glamour?
One would assume so. I imagine anyone with access to the proper books and training could theoretically produce a glamour.
Yet another thing to worry about. Black market or not, it's a pretty good match. Look at that. The buttons aren't exact either. There's an extra one here.
Ja, warte, jetzt ist noch eine Stunde. Was ist das? Ist sie gefesselt gewesen?
Rope marks.
Aha.
She was tied up?
There were cinder blocks tied to her ankles.
Cinder blocks?
So she would sink.
Oh.
Es ist sie ertränkt worden. Was hat sie in der Hand?
Her fist is clenched.
So she fought back?
No marks on the knuckles.
Oh,
Maybe she was grabbing something?
maybe.
Au. Ja, ich weiss, es bricht vielleicht, aber ich will schauen. Ah, ja, es ist nur eine Leiche, aber gleich.
Jesus, Bigby.
Yep. Ich habe gewusst, das ist
What
etwas.
is it?
Blüten.
Flowers.
Yeah.
Ribbon and a flower. Lilie, hä?
You're
Also,
right. These buttons are wrong.
und was ist falsch mit denen? Was bringt uns das?
What?
Macht's
Snow,
etwas
do
aus?
you mind if I, open her coat?
Bigby, just let me do it.
Ah, willst du dich selber ausziehen, Baby? Sorry. Oh! Es bist nicht du.
Not you, Snow. It's just a body.
Hat sie echt die gleichen
I'm
Unterhosen?
that,
Nein,
longer
come
than
on.
expected.
Psst, psst.
What have you found out?
She was using Mundy drugs.
Yep.
Pretty heavily, too, judging by the track marks on her legs.
Track marks? Isn't there... There are diseases...
I don't think she has to worry about that now.
No.
Aha.
No, of course not.
Vielleicht ist sie an der Droge gesetzt worden.
We should keep going.
Da könnte es etwas drin haben. Das Parfüm, okay.
What is that?
Also ist alles ein
She had
Befehl.
the perfume with her. Looks like someone picked it out for her.
So, someone gave her instructions.
Aha. Was ist das?
I've seen things like this before. It's definitely magic, though witches don't usually craft objects these days.
I don't think it's wise to fool around with that. It's some kind of black market magic. Who knows what it could do? We should have it looked at.
Wieso weiß
Just to
er?
make sure it isn't dangerous.
Und findet es
Maybe
raus.
right. One way to find out.
Aber wieso weiß er vom Black Market? Hat er uns dort schon gehört?
What?
There's something in here.
How do we open it?
Wenn er ein bisschen
Might want to
zurückstehen.
stand back if you're worried, Crane. I'm gonna try to open it. Something to do with these rings here.
Aha, okay. Was ist denn? Ein Tier, hä? Ja. Okay, ein Hirsch.
A deer. What does that mean? Oh,
Braucht man das für den Glamour echt? Haar von ihr. Eindeutig ihr
is
Haar, oder?
that...
Yep.
It's your hair.
I can smell it. Und das Foto von ihr.
Someone must have taken this from my apartment. I
Faith?
noticed it was missing, but I didn't think. This was the last picture I had of Rose and me. My sister and I don't talk much anymore.
A rose?
Who did this, Bigby?
Nein. Ich kann noch wieder den Tango anschauen.
She's a troll?
What?
Kidding me.
Sie hat uns trolled.
Yeah, she's a troll. Can we move on?
Who is she? That wasn't there before.
Oh,
Who do you think she is? I don't know many trolls, I'm afraid.
Should have left them all back in their homelands.
vielleicht war
You
es
don't
tolle
mean that, do
Frau
you?
Holle.
She looks like Holly.
The owner of the Trip Trap? No, she looks a little... Oh no.
What is it?
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily.
Okay.
She was reported missing, but I guess it just slipped through the cracks.
We have to go tell Holly.
Aha.
Right. Who knows, she might know something about this. Who Lily was seeing.
Well, certainly another troll.
Er weiß
Do
gerade
you want to talk to
irgendwas.
TJ first?
Ja. Wir gehen zuerst mit dem TJ reden.
I do.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
We'll fill you in later.
Jupp.
Good, good.
Irgendwas. Ich hätte gerne das Beitattoo angeschaut und der Tanga jetzt lieber nicht mehr. Aber
Oh, Miss Snow, I have a question.
was für eine? Buffkin?
Excuse me a minute.
Okay. Wir gehen gerade mit dem TJ reden im nächsten Part. Weil der ist schon wieder ein bisschen lang geworden. Aber das passiert halt. Bis nächstes Mal. Peace.